Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently close your PayPal account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly deactivated and your data is secured. Step 1. Before closing your account, make sure to transfer or withdraw any remaining balance in your PayPal account to your linked bank account or request a check. Step 2. Resolve any outstanding issues, disputes, or pending transactions. PayPal will not allow you to close your account if there are unresolved matters. Step 3. Cancel any automatic payments or subscriptions linked to your PayPal account to avoid future payment issues with those services. Step 4. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password on the PayPal website. Step 5. Click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear, located in the top right corner of your account dashboard. Step 6. In the settings menu, scroll down and click on Close Your Account option. This is usually found at the bottom of the page. Step 7. PayPal will ask you to confirm your decision and may present some information about what happens when you close your account. Read this information carefully. Step 8. If you are sure you want to proceed, click Close Account to permanently delete your PayPal account. You will receive a confirmation email once the account closure is complete. Remember that this action cannot be undone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.